Hey, this is Rosa Rubio Giotto from RCG Creations. Look what I got me, and look where it came from. Oh, there it is right here, sorry. Uchi's Designs. Remember that other video? I'm going to put a link to that other video. But these are the animated dies that you move up and down, and it looks like the item is actually moving. And of course, you can see I already opened it. I couldn't wait. Because I was like, I'm so excited. But you get, and each kit is different. You can get the kits with the die and the stamps, or just the stamps. And you can also buy these, just the sheets, either vertical or horizontal. And this particular one comes with just the dies only. And the grid sheet. And this one is called DC 109. There it is, DC 109. That's an item number. There's the Emotion Craft is the one that created it, by Uchi Designs, and there's their information there. And this particular one, you pull it up and down from the top, and then this heart moves up and around. But what's nice about it is when you get the other stamps from the Uchi clan, you can mix and match the stamps to go with whatever card, so you're not just stuck with just one. This one only. You could do different ones. So there's that. And then let me go ahead and get these all out of here. Okay. There's everything on that one. This one is the... Whoops. I just dropped something. I did go ahead and put all these on I don't like that yellow, that sticky stuff, the tape, double-sided tape. So I put everything, I got my magnets, and I put that on here so they would all stick. This one is item number, don't have one. Oh yeah, we do. DC 11, there it is. And this is all that you get with it. So you get all the dies, and look, you could do a double. See that? Do the double view. And so that is, I'm going to do that on a scrapbook page, probably the 2 pages, and I'm also going to do it on some cards probably for Christmas. So you got the instruction page that tells you how to do it all. But I'm gonna be honest with you. This is great. This is nice. But I am a visual person. A lot of the stuff I just don't get. I have to watch the videos and rewatch them, and then I write it down. Or whenever they give me an instruction page, I just add my notes to each section so I know, oh, do it here, or do it this way, because I got to watch it at least 3 times. I'm very, very visual. And then you got a little sheet of the grid that came with this kit. This one here is item number DC 108. And then that is all that comes with that. See the dies? Okay. And then here you are. And of course you got your grid mark on that one. And then this one is stamps and dies. And okay, that's just paper. And let me put that over here with the grid so I don't tear up the grid. Be very careful with your grid, because this black stuff does peel off. Okay, so really be cautious with it. And then this one is, oh, this one doesn't have an item number. It just says animation clear stamp and die cut combo. It's called Super Friends. See the bottom there? It's called Super Friends. Okay, see that there? And let me get the green paper here. Oop. So you get the little boy, you get the little girl, and then you get the big star, and well, there's two dies. Oh, here it is. These 2 dies to cut these 2 out. So you get this big splatter, the splatter, and the little boy and the little girl. They came in the die set, but then here is the actual stamp, and then it says, Super Birthday Wishes. Have a super duper day. And then it says, yay, wow. So I thought that was really fun. That's going to be a fun card. This one here is, I don't know how or what, but I ended up getting 2 of these. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. But anyway, this one and this particular one doesn't have an item number either. It doesn't have a name. Oh, I wish they would put names on these things. Make it so much easier so you know what you're doing, which one it is. But look, these are what all of these do this. Look at that. Just by moving it up and down. Either up and down, sideways, or vertical, or horizontal, either way. And look, isn't that the fun? Isn't that the funnest thing? This is going to be perfect on a card. Pretty much anything. You know, anything that you're going to want to have to make it fun and easy. So here's the stamps. And you just stamp it on whatever, put your grid on top, and then pretty much you're done. And then this one is the same thing, but actually it's a little, the circle is shaped differently from this one. As you can see here, let me put these two both together for you so you can see that. Here is, see the two circles? They're all pretty similar, almost pretty similar in size. This is a little bit bigger, I think. But it gives you a different look. Oop, this one goes with this one. I want to get these things mixed up already because I haven't played with them yet. And it does the same thing, see? And then you just pull it up and sideways. This one doesn't have a name either. Okay, oh well, it is what it is. So there's that one. This one is just nothing but dies. And this one, again, has no name. I don't see a name nowhere on there. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, take it back. There is the code DC112. And this is the dies, but look at that. You get all of this, and you can make this, which is really cute because the little bear's on the front of the card, and that black grid is behind it. Here's the little heart. So this is what you're going to build. And I got some little stamps that says move, pull, whatever. There's like, I think like 12 or 13 different little action with arrows and little swirls and stuff. I wish I had it, but I don't have it handy right quick here. That you would put on there so the recipient will know to automatically pull that. And this thing's going to go up and down and move around. But those are the dies there. And this one is a die to make your own grid. So instead of buying this grid, you can make your own, and you cut this out of any cardstock and you make your own grid. Look at that. And what's really good about this, when you do your own grid, and I know they come in different sizes, but budget said I could only buy so much, okay? And don't tell hubby I bought this because he don't know. Okay, but see, you cut the grid out of any color cardstock, and you can actually stamp the stamp image with the same color as the cardstock. I thought that was really neat. So check that out. This is item number DC106. And it's gonna be fun. And here's the same thing, but in a different shape. So this one goes up and down. This one can go up or down or sideways. I think this is the one that's gonna go sideways. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna go sideways. Okay. In fact, what does this picture tell you? The picture doesn't show. Oh yeah, it does. It goes up and down. See, you pull on the little flower and you pull it up and down. But I think this one's going to just go up and down. There's a certain way you do the grid of which way is up or down or sideways. This one's the same thing. This one is item number DC107. And actually, this one can be done either way, up or down or sideways. Isn't that cute? And here's item number DC107. That is going to be fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, here is some dies. And here's the stamps. And this one says, hello, love is in the air, love and airmail. But isn't that the cutest little, that's a little bunny rabbit in the airplane. Isn't that cute? And then there's the little sun with a little smiley face. Well, he just has the eyes and a nose. He doesn't have a smile, but I thought that's so cute. And let's see. Okay. no item number. It just says animation, clear stamps, and die set. Okay, so here's the stamp, and here's the grid, and here is the dies. You get all this together as a kit. Okay, so all that's together there as a kit. And then I went ahead and ordered, because I'm really enjoying this a lot. So I ordered some vertical and horizontal grids, and you get, how many do you get in here? Does it say? No, it doesn't say. I think there's 50 sheets of each one. But what's nice about these is you don't have to use the whole thing. Whatever big you're going to do your project on your die on it. But you can also cut your other dies for the frame, so you can use that. So you're not limited to just these stamps and dies. You are limited to these stamps because the stamps have to have the additional lines away from the main image in order for the movement to work when you do the mechanism. So that part does have, this has to be there. So on here, this is the only part that's going to be moving around. This is all going to be one solid piece. Okay, so you can get those so you have these already on hand. But that's the end of that little mini craft haul. I thank you so very much for watching. You take care. Have a good day. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. Take care. Bye-bye.